Getting regular eye exams is essential, especially if you're over 60. These exams can help detect cataracts early and ensure your eyes are healthy. The only way to remove a cataract is through surgery, but the good news is that is one of the UK's safest and most common operations. It offers a high success rate and improved vision for most patients. The cloudy lens is removed and replaced with a clear artificial lens during surgery. It's usually done under local anesthetic and takes about 20 minutes. You'll go home the same day, and most people see a significant improvement within a few days. Don't worry, it's also painless, and your optometrist or ophthalmologist will guide you through every step. To sum up, cataracts are a very common part of aging. They develop slowly, don't cause pain, and are highly treatable with surgery when needed. Book an eye exam if you're over 60 or if your vision changes. We'll check for cataracts and ensure everything else in the eye is healthy too. And remember, if you ever feel unsure or anxious, we're here to help you through it. Thanks for watching Talk About Eyes. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Your share could make a significant difference in someone else's eye health journey. See you in the next one.